Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my Decorate With Me for Christmas video 2022, and you're going to be coming with me throughout an entire week where I decorate my house all week long. So I spent day one doing my boys' Christmas tree. This is the first thing I wanted to do. So using my old Christmas tree, because I have a new one this year, I put the Christmas tree up on the landing. We're lucky to have a spacious landing. So I assembled it all upstairs on the landing. This is all a big surprise while my 5-year-old was at school. I put it all together and I put lights on it, and then I put all of the baubles and the decorations in a cute little basket, and I did it as a big surprise for when he got home from school. So he got home, I sent him upstairs and he saw the tree with all the decorations, and he had so much fun decorating it. I'm so glad we've started this as a tradition. The boys love having their own tree. If you want to see his reaction and decorating the tree, go to my Instagram and there is a reel on there, and it's also on my YouTube shorts as well. Some of these baubles are old ones of mine, and then some of them are ones that Leo has accumulated over the years because he usually has a very small little tree in his bedroom. So he does have a few of his own baubles already, but this is the first year that he's had a huge tree just for him and his brother. So I did buy a few new ones just to fill out the basket a little bit more, and yeah, he was just so excited to see them. The next day, it was time to do my tree in the living room, and this is my brand new 8-foot Christmas tree from Balsam Hill. It is absolutely ginormous. Thank you, Balsam Hill, for sending me this beautiful tree. The tree skirt is also from Balsam Hill. I will link the tree in the description box if you want to see which one it is. It was also pre-lit, which made it super easy. So I just put it together and the lights came on. Then I got all of my baubles out of the attic, laid them all out and decided which ones I wanted to use. A lot of them were new ones this year that I'd either got from Balsam Hill or from B&M stores. I actually changed up my decorations a lot this year. But the first thing I did was put on my string beads. I love string beads on a tree. These are just some really cheap and cheerful ones from B&M stores. So the first thing I'm going to do is just drape the tree with these. Next up, I put on the glass baubles from Balsam Hill. These are new and they're sort of cracked glass like this. Each one of them is different and they are absolutely stunning. But because there was 20 of them, it was a really good way to start the tree and to beef it out with these baubles. And then I went in with the more like unique individual ones. Oh, I had these beautiful paper ones as well from B&M stores. I absolutely love these. I got these this year and they are stunning. I think they look like they're from Cox & Cox, but they were super cheap from B&M. And then I went in with my super like sentimental ones and my more unique ones that I've just collected over the years. Honestly, I had no idea how I was going to get this star on this tree because the tree is touching the ceiling and I'm a very short person. So I had to go and get a chair from the dining room in the end and use this to try and reach the top of the tree, but it was still a struggle and it's still really squashed and not on properly. I need to wait till Clint gets home and I'm going to get him to have a play with it and get the star to sit on more evenly. But here she is and I am so pleased with her. I also got these scented tree sticks from Home Bargains. They were super cheap, and these are gingerbread scented, and oh my gosh, they smell so strong. You put the little hook on them and you just discreetly hang them in your artificial tree, and it makes your artificial tree smell incredible. I highly recommend these. The next day, I made it my mission to decorate the toy storage unit in the family room, kitchen, dining room, the room that we live in all day basically. So I cleared the entire top of it, and I wanted to make a little Christmas village. I've never done one before, but I want to start doing this as a little tradition. I want much more traditional decorations in the kitchen where the boys spend all day. So I got this garland, which is a super old one, but I just beefed it up and made it as thick as I could. And I put in these little artificial snowy trees from B&M. These were actually from last year, but they still look really good. They kept really well in the attic. And then I put on just some cheap string lights as well. I then added some little house ornaments and some little Christmas birds and things, and just tried to make it feel like a cute little Christmas village. But I want to add to this every year, so I'm keeping my eye open for little Christmas village ornaments from now on. And then of course I put a candle in there as well. The next day it was time to put up my Christmas garlands, also from Balsam Hill. These are incredible, but they are so heavy. The quality from Balsam Hill is insane. So it really took quite a while to hang them up because I had to learn the best way to do it. But once I got the knack of it, I put the second one up a lot quicker than the first one. I can't explain to you how stunning these garlands are. They really doesn't do them justice on the camera, but I used hooks on the walls to hang the garlands over both of my French doors. These garlands are also pre-lit and battery operated, so you will see what they look like at night time in just a minute. I then dried some orange slices in the oven. I put the oven at 140 degrees and I put these in for about an hour. And yeah, a couple of them were too thin, so they were overdone, but most of them were pretty spot on. And I just put a little slit down the orange slices so that I could just hook them on to the branches of the garland. I have also ended up adding fir cones to this garland as well, but I didn't do that during filming. But here is what it looks like at night time. They just look beautiful. The next day I wanted to do the centerpiece on our dining table. So this beautiful tray is from Pretty Little Home, and this eucalyptus garland was from Amazon. I just had this in the attic and thought it would be perfect. And then I popped this beautiful Christmas pillar candle from Asda in the middle. So I just sort of folded the garland around it and then kept that as like the middle part of the centerpiece. Then I just beefed it out and filled it out with some simple pine cones and a few more orange slices that I did that day as well. Honestly, this took me all of 5-10 minutes and it was really traditional, really cozy, and I was really happy with the end result. So today was the final day of the week of decorating, and today I just did finishing touches. So just the little bits and bobs around the house. So I'm going to put this gonk in the kitchen. I love this. He's from B&M and he's so cute. And this little decorative pine cone thing from B&M that I got last year as well. Then me and Leo just popped some Christmas ornaments in the living room, just taking out some of the vases and things and replacing them with some cute little Christmas ornaments. made sure that I had updated all of the candles and that any like autumn themed candles were put away and replaced with really lovely Christmas scented ones. And do you know what? I think this might be one of my favourite things, but I didn't know what to do with my glass tree jar from Home Bargains. And then I've decided I'm going to fill it with my dishwasher tablets for the Christmas season. And do you know what? I think it looks so cute, and I haven't seen anyone else do this, so it's a little bit different. It's a bit quirky, but hey, I think it looks really sweet. So guys, this is the last thing that I'm going to be doing to decorate the house. Keep watching my YouTube channel though, because there'll still be bits and bobs that I'll be getting up to, I'm sure. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.